Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right context and permission to create namespaces. Once done, pick a clear name and any labels that reflect purpose or environment. Labels help selection and billing later. Create an inline manifest or run kubectl create namespace my namespace to act immediately. Make sure to use kubectl config current context and verify kubectl auth can I create namespaces. Doing this first avoids permission surprises and establishes the namespace object you'll configure next. Once the namespace exists, apply policies and defaults so workloads behave predictably. Add a limit range to set default CPU and memory requests and limits, and a resource quota to cap overall resource usage. This prevents noisy neighbors. Next, tag the namespace with labels and annotations used by monitoring, SCI, and cost tools. Then run kubectl apply for your manifests in sequence. Make sure to target the namespace with N when creating role bindings or service accounts, so permissions land in the right scope. You finish by assigning roles and binding service accounts so workloads can access needed APIs. Deploy a small test pod to validate scheduling, quotas, and network policies. Observe pod creation and container logs. Verify namespace status with kubectl, describe namespace, and inspect events for rejects from admission controllers or quota denials. If things go wrong, start with kubectl, get events and your namespace, and kubectl auth can I to diagnose RBAC. Fixing a missing role binding or quota adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.